In this video, we're going to review a 24-piece gel nail polish set. Hi everyone, welcome back to Just Doing Nails. And this 24-piece gel nail polish set that we're going to review today is from a company called Makartt. Now, if you've been doing nails for quite a while, I'm sure you've heard of this company. If you haven't, I will say I haven't gotten any product from them that I was dissatisfied with, so they seem to be a pretty good company so far. Alright, so as I struggle with this box, I want to take this time to remind you guys to subscribe to Just Doing Nails if you enjoy nail product reviews. Also, go ahead and hit that like button if you enjoyed this content. Hitting that like button is going to help YouTube recommend my videos and in turn help my channel grow. Alright, so I'm finally squeezing this out of this box. I mean, they packed this thing in here really good. I guess that's a good thing. That way they all stay together. Alright, so this did come with a 24-piece set. There are 22 colors, and the other two bottles are the top coat and the base coat. I'm going to be using my swatches today. If you guys are looking for some nice affordable swatches, I made a video on these. Go ahead and check that video out. It'll be in the upper right hand corner of the screen right there for you. So as I started laying my swatches out, I started thinking, I'm using a whole lot of swatches for this one video. So I'm saying that to say, if any company out there wants to send me some swatches, preferably stiletto shape, I would not be mad. I'm just saying. Alright, without further ado, let's get into these colors. So the first color here is number 1, and it's labeled 3101. And I'll give you guys a close-up here. And it's like a peach kind of pink color. I do want to say off bat, once I open these colors, I really like them. The color on the outside of the bottles don't really give it justice to how they really look once you lay them out. On this one, I ended up doing 2 coats, just so you guys can see a little bit better how the color actually looks. Alright, the second color is number 2, and it's labeled 3102. And so that's how they labeled them. They labeled 3102, 3103, so on and so forth. And here's that color for you guys. Alright, here's the third color. And what I did also notice about these colors is that they only slightly changed from the color before. There wasn't that much of a big difference in the colors if they were close in color. I don't know if that makes sense. But this bottle I was really struggling with, okay? They were all kind of hard to open up, but that is a good thing because you don't want stuff spilling on its way to you. That's just a waste of product, and no one's happy in that case. Alright, so here is that number 4. And I'm just going to kind of be talking over as you guys can go ahead and watch the colors, and feel free to pause it if you wanted to look at another color a little bit better. I felt it was very important that I did all the colors in this set, because in the beginning I was like, oh my goodness, it's going to take so long to review all these colors, but I was thinking that, hey, if I were to watch a video review of gel polishes and it said that it was a 24-piece, I would want to see all the colors. So that's why I decided to go ahead and do this video for you guys and make sure you guys can see every single one of these colors and how they actually look. Alright, so we're on color number 7. And the colors start to get a little bit darker and a little bit richer in pigmentation. And this is when they start throwing in different colors. If you noticed in the beginning, they were more like light pink colors, peach colors. Now we're going to be getting into different colors. What I did like about this gel set is that these colors are very low key. I mean, they look very elegant though at the same time. And that's kind of like me. I like stuff that's very low key. It's there, but it's not too bright. So this was a really good buy for me. All right, so a couple of tips in gel nail polish application I wanted to share with you guys. First of all, if you haven't applied gel nail polish before, you will need a gel nail lamp. And I have done a couple of videos on gel nail lamps. If you guys want to check those out, I'll put them right up there in the right hand corner of the screen for you. Also, when you're applying it, you want to make sure you do it in thin coats. So what you'll do is you'll put the first coat on, and don't be worried if it comes out very transparent. See right here, we had to do 2 coats with that one in order for the real color to show up. It's going to be transparent the first time, but once you cure it, then you're going to go ahead and put another coat on. And if you want it darker, just put a 3rd coat on. So I would say that is a very important key in applying gel nail polish. Amongst others, you will need to do prep and other things like that to make sure you're doing the process well also, and that you don't get any pilling. All right, so we are on color number 12, and it's a really cute like sky blue, baby blue color. I just really love the blues in this set. And here's number 13. It's also another blue color. So if you guys are still hanging in there with me and you've made it this far in the video, we're about halfway there. We're almost there. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you made it this far to number 13. Actually, number 14 now. We're on number 14. We're getting there really fast. So this color I loved. It's like a grayish kind of plaster color. Again, it looks like a nude color, which are my favorites. Number 15. This is also a nude color. And these went on really well. They weren't transparent on the first layers at all. All right, here we are at number 16. This one starts to have a purplish tint to it, and I really love this one as well. If you had some bridesmaids, I don't know, it just reminds me of like bridesmaids dresses or something. That's just what I thought of when I saw that color. All right, number 17, we're nearing the home stretch. So this is a gray color. Perfect for Halloween, or perfect for an elegant occasion. All right, so number 18. This one was really nice. Okay, so it just reminded me like of the ocean, kind of that color you would expect to see at the beach. Number 19 was also a really nice blue color for me. It's like a teal color. And it has that pastel look to it as well. All right, this green color. This green color, I was thinking about it, and it kind of reminds me of like I don't know, the coral reef. Like, I don't know, you would see this type of green somewhere in an aquarium. All right, here's another green color, number 21. This one struck me as like an emerald green color, reminding me kind of Wizard of Oz, I guess. And there's that color, number 21. All right, last color here, and it is black. And this one went on very opaque. It wasn't transparent at all, and I was kind of surprised at how good it went on. And it looks really nice as well. So the last 2 bottles in here are the top and the base coat, and we know those are just clear. But what I did do is test out the top coat for you guys. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to this purple color that I did. Also keep in mind, when you're done applying your gel polish, you wanna make sure that you are wiping that top coat with alcohol, because a lot of these gel polishes leave a very sticky layer afterwards, and it'll just make your nails look really just bland, and it won't show off the color very well if you don't take off that sticky layer. But if you're looking for a good no wipe top coat and base coat, I did do a video for that one as well. Go ahead and check that video out. It's in the upper right hand corner right there. Honestly, I was not very impressed by this top coat. I could be a little spoiled by my no wipe top coat. I just feel like it didn't really give it that extra shine that you expect from a top coat. That's just my honest opinion. All right, so I do want to say, if you are doing nails and you want to do swatches, I would definitely advise you to get a label maker. This will help you stay very organized, and you will be able to label your colors. That way, when you go to paint your nails or someone else's, you can just grab that and have a direct example of what color you're actually going to be putting on that person's nails or your own nails. Alright, that is my video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it very informative. It sure took me long enough to do it. So if you like this video and this content, don't forget to leave me a like. It'll really help YouTube recommend my videos and help my channel grow. And if you enjoy nail products and nail product reviews, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload a new review video on nail products. And remember to subscribe to Just Doing Nails if you haven't by now, and I'll see you guys next time.